What's up, folks? Brandon Smith, brand new again, Refinishing. Just want to get on here real quick, do a little video, show off the SurfPrep sander a little bit more. You know, guys, I like to show you guys the different kinds of products and the tools that we use to maybe help somebody out with some problems that we've had in the past. But you guys have seen the pictures and the videos I've done with the SurfPrep sander, being able to actually get down in the contours and stuff like that. With the pads being so spongy, I mean, there's a significant amount of flex. You're allowed to get down in the contours and everything to make sure you have the substrate sanded really good, because that's what it takes to get the primer and the paint to actually adhere to your surface. So the standard way to put on the SurfPrep 3x4 pad on your 3x4 array is just like this, with the dust collection holes set up right there. But you can actually offset these pads too to help you really get down in the contours. And what I mean is you set it off to the side. That way when you want to dig down in something like this, you're able to actually, let me go ahead and turn it off so I don't take off. You can actually set it down inside that groove and it contours to that whole opening. So with that being said, I was also playing around today because I got tired of just sanding on one direction. There was times when I'd flip the door and I had to turn my sander the other way. Well, then I have to relocate my pad. So what I did was I took another pad and I offset them half and half. That way I have pads on both sides. The Velcro is amazing. The dust collection holes nearly line up, so my dust collection is still actually working. I'm not getting dust all over my shop, all over the finish and everything. So I've got two pads on there, and basically what I can do is if I want to run down this way, this side, and then keep the door this way, and I can actually run down the other side as well and sand both sides, rather than having to flip the door, change my pad to the other side, tear up my Velcro. But this SurfPrep thing is awesome. If you guys have ever had any problems sanding contours on doors, spindles, anything, this is a must-have product. Make sure you go check it out. Thanks, guys.